Digital transportation is showing a surging trend. Thanks to the iterative update and efficient integration of onboard technologies, we're witnessing and benefiting from intelligent dispatching, fairness and standardization, safe driving, and scatheless and smooth traffic. In pursuit of leapfrog development, Streamax is enterprising to emerge as an industry bellwether, sparkling in the field of commercial vehicle safety and informatization. Innovation-driven and intelligence-led. Streamax's 50,000 square meter manufacturing center is designed to escort the world-beating quality of intelligent transportation. Upon arrival at the plant, materials are controlled by the Intelligent Manufacturing System, IMS. The IMS enables the information-based management throughout the manufacturing process. With the foolproofing design and whole process data acquisition and storage, the system is able to guarantee the product quality and traceability greatly. Before warehousing, materials will be subject to IQC to keep them in line with the automotive-grade quality management requirements. Acceptable materials will be stored automatically by the CTU in the designated location. Upon receipt of the material requisition from the IMS, the CTU will take the material out automatically. The Autonomous Mobile Robot, AMR, delivers materials to designated production lines across floors so that the whole process is information-based and intelligent. An automated flash burn follows after materials are delivered to the workshop. Before mass production, QR codes are laser engraved to PCB instead of paper labels. The bare PCB is laser engraved with a serial number and then delivered to the SMT production line. Such production line is equipped with high-speed dual-track SMT equipment with which the output of PCB is available from the top side 30 minutes after that of the bot side. Reflow soldering is the critical process of PCB assembly. Featured by dual-track 10-temperature zone multi-layer insulation furnace, the reflow soldering may guarantee the soldering quality of products effectively. Following the PCB assembly, the online dual-track 2.5D AOI system is equipped with a 12-megapixel main camera and 4 10-megapixel side cameras. Such a robust detection capability guarantees efficient detection of defective products. SMT is followed by DIP. Unattended, the fully automatic inserter allows Streamax to improve its efficiency by over 50% with guaranteed quality. Streamax benefits greatly from the German-imported selective wave soldering machine, to the extent that its soldering reject ratio is within 300 ppm. Plus a consumable utilization rate of 99.8%. Green and environment friendly, it conserves energy and reduces emissions, catering to the automotive-grade quality requirements. After wave soldering, products are tested by automated test equipment, ATE software. Made up of intelligent robots, machine vision systems, and intelligent fastening screwdrivers, the intelligent assembly line keeps most processes and testing steps automated and intelligent, with real-time warning and feedback for more accurate assembly. Online Intelligent Vertical Aging Cabinet enables the fully intelligent control of aging temperature, time, and software upgrade. The software upgrade system is foolproofing, ending up with much lower error rates and higher aging efficiency. The self-developed test system enables 100% automatic test of product functions, fundamentally solving the problems of missed tests and wrong judgments in manual tests with test accuracy of 99.8% and an increase of 50% in test efficiency. Before being boxed, products are packaged and palletized automatically by intelligent sealing and stacking machines to prevent the delivery of defective ones. The finished products are then transferred to the finished product warehouse by the AMR. The whole process of selection and packaging is digitally managed by the IMS until the end of order delivery. With fast-changing technologies, Streamax is making continued efforts. Boasting a holistic business system integrating R&D, production, sales, and technical support, Streamax is seen offering products and services across domestic provinces and many continents worldwide. Streamax. Build a brighter future of transportation with technology.